Hey, this is Lewis from SoFly. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a complete website with Oxygen. So if you've never used Oxygen before, I highly recommend watching this video to get up to speed on Oxygen. We're going to focus on building in this video, not on designing, so that'll keep it quick. You'll learn how to create a header and footer that applies to all pages of your site. We'll go ahead and create a few pages. We'll set one of the pages as your site's home page. We'll create a menu. We'll put it in your header. We'll swap in your logo into your header, and then we'll set up a contact form. So by following along with this video, you'll get a great idea of how Oxygen works and where everything is. Okay, let's get started. So when you first activate the Oxygen plugin, you're going to see this screen. Choose an installation type. You can install a pre-made website if you want, but for this video, I'm going to choose a blank installation, and then we're going to build everything out ourselves. So I'll choose blank install. And now it's time to start using Oxygen. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a template with a header and footer. So we're going to go Oxygen, templates, add new template, and I will just call this template main. This template is going to apply to all pages of our website. So I'll click Publish, and then to apply it to all pages of our site, I'll go over to where does this template apply, Other, Catch All. Now the template will apply to all pages of the site. Let's update, and now we will edit with Oxygen. So now let's go ahead and add a header to our site. So this video isn't going to focus on designing. If you want to design it yourself, you can build it out using all these elements in Oxygen, but I'm going to go ahead and just choose a header from the library. So to get to the library, I go Add, Library, Design Sets. I'm going to use Atomic, but you can use any design set. They all have headers. Sections and Elements, and then we go to Headers. And I will choose a header from here simply by clicking on it. Okay, so here is my header. And you notice this comes in with some social icons, an example menu, which we can add an email address, call to action button. So to fill in your own content here, for example, social icons, you click the social icons, and then you can specify the URLs to your social profiles here. To edit your phone number, you just double click, edit the text, etc. Okay, now that we have added a header, let's go ahead and add an inner content area. Inner content is going to be the area of this template that is editable on all pages. So we'll be able to have different content between our header and our footer depending on the page the user is viewing. So let's go ahead and click Add, go back to Basics, and then scroll to the bottom of Basics and add an inner content element. This inner content element is going to be replaced with the WordPress or Oxygen design content for the post you are editing. Now that we've added an inner content element, let's add in a footer. So we'll choose from the library. So Add, Library, Design Sets, Atomic, Sections and Elements, Footers, and let's choose a simple footer. Okay, now we have created our template. Let's save this and then create a page. So to go back to WordPress, after saving, click back to WP, and we'll go back to the admin panel. So click Admin. Now let's add a page to our site. To do that, go to Pages, Add New, and this is going to be my home page, so I'll call it Home. Publish, and now to edit with Oxygen, click Edit with Oxygen. Now let's add some elements to our home page. So again, I'm not going to design this myself. You could if you want using the elements in Oxygen, but I'm going to add some pre-built elements from the library. So I'll go to Library, Design Sets, Atomic, Sections and Elements, and let's add in a hero section and some icon blocks, some side-by-side images. And at the bottom, let's put in some social proof, testimonials, let's say, and a call to action. Okay, now we have created our home page. Let's save this and take a look on the front end. Beautiful. So now we have our header and footer coming from our template, and we've designed our home page. Let's create another page. We'll call this, for example, About Us. New page, About Us. Publish, and edit with Oxygen. Okay, let's create this page just like we created the home page. So we'll go Add, Library, Design Sets, Atomic, Sections and Elements, and on our About page we probably want some info about our company. So let's put in crowd with call to action. Let's put in personal hero with one person. And we want this on the top. So to get this on the top, we'll just click and drag it to the top. All right, that is now in the order we want. Let's add in some more information. Let's add in some icons. Okay, and here is our About page. To edit the text on the page, we would just click the text and type to edit it. To adjust spacing, simply mouse over the edge of elements on the page once they're active and drag to adjust spacing. So to activate an element, just click it and then drag on the edge to space it out. There are more videos that will explain how to actually design things with Oxygen. I just want to give you a really quick overview of this stuff. Okay, let's save this page and take a look on the front end. Okay, great. Here is our About page. Now let's go ahead and add in one more page. We'll call this one Product Tour. Edit with Oxygen. And for this product tour page, let's go back to Library, Design Sets, Atomic, and let's add in this hero section, and then go to Content and add in some statistics and content with the image. And at the bottom, a call to action. Okay, excellent. Now we have designed 3 pages with Oxygen. Now let's go ahead and set our home page to be the home page of our site. So right now, if we go to Pages, Home, and view it, it's going to show up at /home. But we don't want that. We just want it to show up here on the actual home page. So to do that, we'll go to Settings, Reading, your home page displays a static page, Home. All right, save changes. And now when we go to the home page, it'll show as front page, and when we view it, it's no longer at /home, it really is the site's home page. Okay, now that we've created 3 pages, let's add these pages to a menu and embed that menu in our header. So to do that, go back to the WordPress admin panel, go to Appearance, Menus. We'll create a new menu, so I'll call this My Top Menu, create menu, and now let's add our pages to the menu. So I'll add Home, About Us, and Product Tour to the menu and then click Add to Menu. Let's drag these to reorder them. We want Home to show up first, Product Tour second, About Us third. Save menu. Now the menu's been saved. Now let's go to Oxygen Templates. Let's go to our main template, click Edit with Oxygen, and now we will embed our menu in the header. So it's automatically detected our menu because it's the only menu on the site. However, if we had multiple menus on the site, we would click the menu, and then on the menu drop-down on the left, we would choose the menu. Since there's only one menu on our site, we don't need to do that. It automatically detects the menu. Great, now our menu is embedded. Now let's swap out the logo in our header for our real logo. So to do that, simply click the logo image, and then click Browse to find another logo in the media library. If you've already uploaded your logo to the media library, it'll show up in the media library. Otherwise, you can click Select Files to upload a logo. I will upload the SoFly logo. Click Select Image, and now the logo is embedded. You can adjust the height of the logo, width, etc. by simply clicking the logo and then clicking in height, and you can adjust the size. So I'll make that 36 pixels tall. Great. Now our logo is embedded in the header as well as our menu. Let's save this and take a look on the front end. So now we have a home page, a product tour page, and an about page. Now let's set up a contact page with a contact form. So the first thing I'm going to do is install a contact forms plugin. So to do that, go to Plugins, Add New, and let's search for Contact Form. And you have many options for contact forms. I'm going to go with Contact Form 7. So we click Install Now, Activate, and then we'll go over to Contact, and there's one contact form, the Contact Form 7 is already created for us, and we get this short code. The short code is how we embed the contact form in our page. So click the short code and then copy the short code. Okay, I've copied the short code. Now let's go to Pages, Add New, Contact, Edit with Oxygen, and let's go to Add Library, Design Sets, Atomic, Sections and Elements, and let's find a good layout for our contact page. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to put the contact form right here. So to do that, first I'm going to delete the icon, the text. We don't need that. And then I'm going to add a short code. So to do that, click Add, go back to Add Home, go to WordPress, and then click Short Code. Now, in full short code, paste in the contact form short code. So I've already copied it, I'll paste that in, and that will display our contact form created in Contact Form 7. Okay, let's save the page and take a look on the front end. Great, now we have a contact page. Let's now add a link to the contact page in our header, set up our footer with all the links on our site, and then we are done. So to do that, let's go to the admin panel, Oxygen, Templates, go to the main template, Edit with Oxygen, and let's make this free trial link actually link to our Contact Us page. So let's change the link text to Contact Us. So just double click and type in Contact Us. And then to set the link URL, over here in the URL field, for the link on the left side, click Set, and choose the contact page from the list. Add link. This will now link to the contact page. Now let's adjust our footer with the contact link as well. So here's the Contact Us link. Let's click it. Let's set the URL. Again, we click the link. We click Set. We choose the contact page, add link, and this will now link to the contact page. Let's save and take a look on the front end. Okay, that is how to build a website with Oxygen. Here's our product tour page. Here's our about page. And here is our contact page. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like what you see. And please check out oxygenbuilder.com/learn for tons more videos, documentation, tutorials, and more to help you get started with Oxygen. Again, this is Lewis from SoFly, and thank you very much for watching.